I'm going to show you how we make a Middle Eastern Lebanese baba ganoush. Get 2 or 3 large eggplants. You want to cut off the stems and slice them in half. You're going to make some slits down the middle. I made cross sections, but next time I think I would just do some straight lines. You're going to preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Place them in the oven for about an hour and a half to 2 hours till they get very charred. This is sesame tahini. It is made out of roasted sesame seeds. Put about a tablespoon and a half for each eggplant that you're using. Mix the lemon juice with the tahini in the bowl to get a very creamy texture. Once they have cooled down, you're going to want to scoop the insides out into a food processor. Now, some people take all the charred pieces off the flesh of the eggplant. I started to do that, but I actually tasted it and liked the way it tasted, so I left it in. But it'll have a charred flavor, which I like. We're going to be adding this roasted garlic. It's about 6-7 cloves, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and you're going to add your tahini lemon mixture. So now you're going to pulse it for about 5 or 6 seconds. You don't want to liquefy it. You want it to have some texture. You're going to taste it, and then you're going to add more lemon juice or salt and pepper if you feel as though you need it to your desired taste. I'm going to be placing the baba ganoush inside of the roasted eggplant shells for my display on the plate. Then I'm going to be adding some paprika for color and some of the roasted peppers and heirloom tomatoes that I roasted with the garlic earlier on the plate for a garnish. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, homemade baba ganoush, aka eggplant dip. Thank you for watching, and I want to thank my mother and my grandmother for the recipe. Peace out.